Hey everyone, it's Megan with the Crafty Planner Lover here, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be planning for July 10th through the 16th in my catch-all happy planner using this gorgeous sunset kit by SammyLynnPlanning. Y'all, I could not resist. I definitely got, I think, 3 full kits from SammyLynnPlanning because her kits are absolutely just gorgeous, and I knew I needed to get one. So you're going to see these a little bit throughout July and August, but I thought I would start out with this one because I did order a foil one, and I wanted to make a good transition between my 4th of July spread and this one. So we are using the Sunrise kit, and it comes with a sheet of full boxes. These full box, like, oh, I don't know how to call these. This is full boxes. These are the full boxes, but they're like faded so you can write in them. Then you get a sheet of washi. You get a sheet of functionals, quarter and half boxes, both decorative and plain. This is I call this the functional sheet because you get like all of the functional items and the scripts and stuff. Then you have the date covers, days of the week, bullets, and all of the fun things. And then this is another sheet of what I like to call the functionals because you've got some thin washi and then you've got some headers and stuff. So she has titles for all of these on her kit where you can get a la carte options. And I absolutely I love these. They're so beautiful, and I don't know, I can't resist getting a full kit. So we're going to go ahead and jump into July 10th through the 17th. Okie dokie, let's figure out what we're going to do. First of all, I've got to remember, I think I still have Fridays, Saturdays off. I do this week. So we need to make sure we have a space for to-dos and things, but before we get to that, I think we're going to go ahead and add the date covers because I will forget, and I don't want to do that. So let's do that first. Actually, side mark, we are going to do the headers. I think I want, yeah, I think I want this to be the top of the spread. I don't know. I'm so incredibly indecisive, and Anne, who is SammyLynnPlanning, she is just absolutely amazing when she uses her kits. Like, she shares before the pins like little video reels on her Instagram, and if you're not following her on Instagram, you totally should, but she shares them on her Instagram, and y'all, I don't know how she is able to just make them come to life like she does. They're just amazing and so beautiful, and it just makes me really smile when I see like how she sets up her spreads, and I don't know. I think it's really pretty. So that's what we're going with this week. We're trying to master our inner, if I can say words today, we're trying to master our inner SammyLynnPlanning because she, like I said, she just has such amazing, amazing kits, and I'm going to try and see if I can embody the SammyLynnPlanning decoratives that she has. Just going to go ahead and take these 2 off now, since we know they are going to go here. Right, and then we're going to do the days of the week and the dates. That looks really cute. And then I think for the weekend, I don't know which one I want to use. Okay, you know what we're going to do? So we're going to use this. We're going to double it. So this will be where I put the weekend banner. I don't think that's even, but it's fine. It's okay. Alrighty, and then we will grab, oop, I need to be careful. I don't want to rip it. I'm gonna get this. There we go. I like that. Okay, now we need some washi for the bottom. So we've got the thin, and then we've got this thick washi, and I really like the idea of maybe this one up here, and then this thinner one down at the bottom. Or we could do the thicker one down at the bottom, and this one up here. Okay. Here, how about we do this? We're going to do the thicker one here. I'm going to do it all the way down so I can cover up that hideous deco that this planner has at the bottom. It's cute, but it won't work with the spread. There we go. You know what? We'll just leave that because I don't want to have to uncover this. And then I think we will take, now I kind of want to put it here. Wait. I don't know if this is going to work, but I have an idea. This side, we are going to use this thick piece here so that it looks like it carries on to the other side. Okay, that's not bad. All right, let's get some plans going here. I need this one, the sidebar stickers. So we have 2 habits that we need to track. I also have, I want to get, where did it go? I'm trying to find, I thought she had a work schedule on here, but I could just be thinking of something else. I think I am. That's okay though, because we can use, if I can get everything situated, we can use one of these. Let's do, ooh, there's so many to choose from. I'm going to use this one. This will be for my work schedule for the week. And I need a header. Yeah, we'll use this one. And then we have our habits that I need to track. And I think I'm going to use these. I think I'm going to use the yellow ones for the separation. Maybe not though, now that I look at it. Maybe something else. Let's just see. How about we move it down? Okay. And what if we put a box up here? Maybe this one. I do want to write this out though. Okay, now I think we are good. For this one. Oh, not bad. Okay, now it's time for goals. I really want to use these for the bullets for my goals for this week. Okay, there's the sidebar. Finally. So now let's get some plans on here because I definitely need to get that settled. So there they are. That's what I want. I'm gonna move these out of the way. And we're going to move to the weekend real quick. Oh, actually no, I do need this one because we are going to add a cleaning list. Here, so there's enough room for my title, and I think we're going to use the yellow. Okay, and then I need a list for weekend, like important and get it dones. I think these will work well together. And then another title, and I'm thinking we're going to use the orange. Alrighty, so I think we have now reached the point where I just need to add my boxes and see how the spread comes together. everyone, that is it for this week in my catch-all happy planner using the Summer Sunset Sammy Lynn Planning Kit. I love this. It is so pretty and it is definitely a lot different than I envisioned, but that's a good thing. I really, really love the pops of color that were added into the kit, like this pop of blue, the pop of orange and pink. It's so, so pretty, and I cannot wait to show you guys what it looks like after I add pen and after I add stickers and deco and lots of other fun stuff that I add throughout the week. It's going to be a really, really fun after the pen. Don't forget to check out my cruise vlogs. At the current moment, I have my travel day and my embarkation day uploaded, and then this Wednesday will be our first full day where we went to Nassau, Bahamas, and my mom and I stayed on the boat. So if you guys are wanting to see my cruise adventures, please, please, please don't forget to click the card up here or check the description box for the link to the playlist. It has last year's and this year's cruises on it, so check them out if you want to see a little bit of what I do that is not planning. And if you use my code Megan15, you will save 15% off of your order off of Sammy Lynn Planning's Etsy and receive my beautiful freebie. And this does go with one of the kits that she has out now. I can't remember what it's called, so I'll put it on the screen. But it does go with that kit. So if you are wanting to save yourself some money, it's a great time. And she's going to be in a sale very, very soon at the end of July. So stock up those cards. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really, really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was inspiring to you. I hope it got you in the mood for summer. And until next time, craft on. Bye guys!